Another picture. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I guess I'm not half that tonight.
You are missing snow dust. Missing how much snow is.
Oh gosh. I have a better idea.
Here's a circle.
Okay.
Come look at it, guys. Look at this. Make it smooth.
Oh, okay. Almost. Oh, look at that.
Make it bigger.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, pick up a piece of the ground.
Oh, you have to make it not thick. Like this. I think. Oh, I'm all wet.
That's what fun's all about, being wet and full of snow.
It doesn't look like a hat.
Still need to make it. But we need a I can go get Tupperware. Can you go get Tupperware?
For what? Oh, gosh, I have snow on my boots.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
We always get snow in our boots.
Okay, we're almost done. I'm going to find something for the nose and for the eyes.
Eyes is the valve.
Yeah.
Can you go outside? Inside
Yeah.
has better things. Guys, I found the nose. What?
Oh, that's too small, Emily. I think I'm going to get inside to find something.
Can you make some hot chocolate? When we're done. This is a mouse. Look at Jess, I'm picking up a piece of your shoe.
Oh.
See, look.
Oh, yeah, you can use these. Put in the right spot, and after we are done with the head.
This, we're making that was the bottom, now we're making the middle.
Is it the middle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's going to be tall. As tall as I am.
I know. Okay. I think that's enough for the middle.
Yeah.
I think we should make the head now.
Yeah.
I'll get started.
It looks a little funny.
I know. Let's keep making the middle. The middle needs to be just like this. Let's see. Just stand next to it. Ooh,
A little bit taller.
Need to get the outside. Do you need a little ball?
Oh, you need help?
Yeah. Just put it onto yours.
It's gonna be the friend.
Oh man, we have to make another one. Let's get started.
Yeah.
I'll make another ball for the middle. Can you help me with this one? Can you help me?
That's too big. That's way too big.
Okay.
Okay.
And now let's make the head for it. And that's it. Oh man, that's nice. Yeah. It's this. It's falling off. Let's make it not fall off. Oh my God. There! I found a nose on there.
Emily, you're gonna knock it over. Yeah. What the
It's
heck?
a nose. You don't need that.
Is it the face?
No. Here, make the face soon.
Oh, be careful.
Just let's stand next to it. Oh man, you're nice and... Can I help?
No, don't do that.
Just stand next to it.
I need to leave
Next
it
time,
alone.
don't get dog food.
Let's be careful with
Now
the
what?
poop.
Now what? Yeah, because I don't like dogs.
Oh, it's my boot.
Let's make a foot. I'm making a
Better run, Lauren.
Oh man, careful.
I almost did it. You better run. You better run. Watch out.
I have this.
No, that's for the snowman.
We're not doing snowballs anymore. I don't want to get in my mouth.
So why do you have a snowball in your hand? No, leave my head there. No, I'm gonna find carrots. This way. Be careful.
Let's make a snowball line. This is a great nose.
Yeah. I'm gonna find some carrots.